Beas Manufacturing is an additional module that extends the production capabilities within SAP Business One. It is a feature-rich option for companies that require advanced manufacturing capabilities. Typically, this will be where subcontractors are being used for parts of the manufacturing process, or when a bill of materials include multiple, complex sub-assemblies. Firstly, subcontracting. Beas Manufacturing allows you to define external manufacturing processes directly within a bill of materials and routing. It improves the management of costs by allowing you to include subcontractor costs in the overall product costing. It includes quality control features to ensure subcontracted work meets your standards. And it maintains detailed records of all subcontracting activities to ensure full traceability and compliance. Secondly, sub-assemblies. Beas Manufacturing supports multi-level bill of materials, allowing you to break down complex products into manageable sub-assemblies. Each sub-assembly can have its own bill of materials integrated into the overall production plan to ensure accurate tracking of inventory and materials at every stage of production. It allows you to calculate the cost of each sub-assembly separately to provide a detailed understanding of costs. And sub-assemblies can be subjected to quality checks at various stages of production. Beas Manufacturing is fully embedded into SAP Business One and adds depth to your solution. Once installed, you won't even know it is there. You simply have more options to work with. Here is an example. In standard SAP Business One, you can check stock availability when entering a sales order. With Beas, the availability check goes further. It is a full capable-to-promise system that helps you provide reliable delivery dates to customers that takes into account production and resource capacity constraints. To explore how SAP Business One from Lake could help your business, we provide a range of guides and webinars to help with your evaluation. Links are in the description. Alternatively, get in touch via the Lake website. Thank you.